Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this simple smoky eye look. I actually created this look using the Darella Cosmetics eyeliner and also the Darella lashes in the style Darella, and the eyeliner that I'm wearing, which is the Neon Pigment by Darella Cosmetics, which is my brand. So yeah. So I've actually filmed another review, like an in-depth review of the Darella Cosmetics for you guys, but due to one thing or the other, been following me on Instagram, you know that I've been really quiet because I was moving my home. So yeah, I was moving my house, so I was moving my home anyway. So I've not had a chance to edit that video because it's an in-depth review of the Darella Cosmetics video. I've not had a chance to edit that video because it's a very long video. But anyway, this is one of the neon pigment from the collection, which is the Diva Cosmetics, which is the Diva Collection Volume 2. And what do you guys think? I am feeling it. I actually used this as my eyeliner and I mixed that with the MAC Mixing Medium. So yeah, that was how I achieved that liquidy look, which I used to line my eyes. But apart from that, you can use the pigment as an eyeshadow, as a blush, and also as an eyeliner. Depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you can also use it as your lipstick, because I topped that up with another with the MAC Mixing Medium, and I wear that on my lips as well, and it gave me that matte looking red look, because I used to cherish, but not in this video. Anyways, in my opinion, I believe this neon pigment is really versatile, and you definitely get the value for your money. There's quite a lot in them. Look at that. I'm not sure if the light is doing justice to them, but I'm gonna swatch them again for you guys in another video. But for now, I am loving them, and please stay safe. Like seriously, stay safe. Don't go out, protect yourself, wash your hands every now and then, and you know, stay safe and protect others by staying at home. So thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget, yeah. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. I don't my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could